What holiday gift screams I picked this up on my way over? She didn't pick it up on the way over, she mailed it, but one year my aunt sent us Pringles, all the way from New Jersey to California. Pringles. For a brief moment, thought there might be something else in the nicely wrapped Pringles can. Maybe she was just using it as a frugal container for something better, but my little brother opened his first, and there it was. We got Pringles. Something you may not know about Pringles, they are not up to the rigors of the transcontinental journey that our postal system has to offer. There was no Pringleness left in them by the time they got here, just dust. My brothers and I all got cans of powdered Pringles for Christmas.